Most energy consumption is obviously at the design stage where it gets locked in because the MEP and HVAC design of the building. So that is the most crucial part. It becomes very difficult to change that post the construction. So any intervention that is required must be done at the design stage, and any value engineering or energy efficiency implementation, that strategy that needs to be done at the design stage, so that things become much easier later on. And of course, materials locked in at the design stage. That is the most crucial part of it. If we have to meet lower carbon and lower energy, it is very useful if the framework is mandatory. Beyond mandatory, it has to make economic sense to the developer, to the consumer, for it to become implementable. Unless the consumer sees a financial advantage to any kind of mandate, it becomes very difficult to implement. So there has to be an economic advantage. Sustainability has to be profitable. What it does is that it makes it a level playing field. And then it is up to the developer to try and be more innovative beyond that. I think the government of India is more progressive than most governments worldwide in terms of sustainability targets. And if we follow the GDCR or the development regulation in most states, you will end up making a green sustainable building because the bylaws have been progressively improving year on year. The government is a couple of steps ahead of the consumer and the developer right now. But to make this more and more acceptable, we need to build demand for this kind of development. And to build demand, besides creating awareness, we also need to create the awareness about the advantage of this kind of development to the consumer. And that will happen if it becomes mandatory.